Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. On today's video, I have a project share for you guys. As you can see by the title above, I've created some super adorable treat boxes using the Lori Whitlock SVG files, and I have been on an SVG kick, as you guys know if you follow me on Instagram. Not only have I been extremely inspired by Adriana Alvarez, which I'll have linked down below, but just the fact that I got a new Cricut and I'm new to it, and I just have been enjoying just trying to figure out a bunch of stuff and playing around with all these SVGs. So of course I wanted to create these cute little boxes because, as you guys know, I have a series going on right now where I'm playing around with a digital collection and I'm making a bunch of embellishments, so I figured why not make some cute little packaging for them. I didn't use the collection that I'm playing around with, the digital, because I don't print out 12 by 12 and you require bigger paper to create these boxes. So I decided to use the Maggie Holmes confetti paper to create them. And then all the embellishments in the inside will be using the Craft Market from crepe paper. But the good thing is that all crepe paper collections kind of tend to go together. They look alike and it kind of all fits in and it looks good together. And if you've been following my series, you know what the little embellishments look like. They're all kind of like the same pastel-y colors. So let me show you guys what the boxes look like. So of course they're empty because I will have a video when I have the boxes filled with all the goodies to show you guys. I'm going to be making a bunch of rosettes in all different styles, crepe paper, vellum, cardstock, just a bunch to stick in here. And then in here I'm going to have all the little embellishments that I have made. So the first little box that I want to show you is this one, which is super cute. I will have the SVG files linked down below if you guys want to try it out for yourself. And this is what the box looks like. I did sew around it just to give it that extra little stitching look. I think it just gives that like a little pretty touch to your project. It is very time consuming, but you guys, it's all worth it in the end. Look how cute this is. I did stitch over the thickers, yeah, that's what they're called. I did stitch over them and my sewing machine did not like struggle at all. Looks super cute. I think Alice, All About Alice, was the first one to stitch over some thickers, and I just fell in love ever since that she did that. It looks so cute. I used a little bird thicker from the confetti collection. There is acetate back here, so you have a little window. I did some stitching down here. I didn't want to go all the way around because that was going to be a bit much, but I did stitch all the way around here, and then like on the sides and on the side right here, and then like I did a different stitch right here. You guys can see that. When you open up the box, I did line the inside just so that you can see the little pattern through the window. And it's a decent size, you guys. You can fit a good amount of embellishments in here. And I think it's a perfect little gift to give a pen pal or just as a gift to anyone. You don't have to put embellishments in here. You could put candy, you could put anything you want and gift it to a friend. So this is the first box that I created. And then the second box is this one, which is a little bit bigger and it's like a square shape. This is more rectangular. And you guys, this is my favorite one and I cannot wait to fill it with a bunch of rosettes. I love this paper and it's like all rosettes, the paper. So that's why I wanted to use it, because I'm going to be making those and I thought it would be fitting to use that paper. I put this cute little chipboard banner here with a little butterfly, a little gemstone from Michaels. I did the same thing with the thickers right here, sewed them onto like a strip of paper, a little gold. You see that right here? That's like a separate piece that comes with the file. I decided to do that in gold paper just to make it stand out a little bit when you open up this box. I used the same paper that's, on the back right here is the same paper that's in the inside. Just to make it a little bit more sturdy, I decided to line it. And then I'm going to add, of course, some crinkle paper. And then when I add the rosettes, you guys, I cannot wait to show you guys these boxes filled. I probably might end up making one more box. I'm not sure yet. But this is what they look like. And you guys, if you haven't tried this out, you definitely should. I think they're super adorable and it just brings up your Happy Meal, it kind of like takes your Happy Meal to the next level, let's just say. I think it's so cute. I absolutely love them. Another file that I did work on as well, also inspired by Adriana, were these super cute little strawberries. But this one came out too big, so it doesn't really fit in there, but I think it's so cute. So this is a cute little embellishment. But for this box, I did make some little ones, and that's these right here. And I'm gonna be adding those in this box. I think they turned out so cute. So those are the ones that I'm gonna put in here. But yeah, you guys, those are the embellishments that I've created. Oh, and I wanted to show you guys that these boxes, they come with inserts. I just haven't placed mine. So you can place embellishments in each little box. This is what the boxes look like. I just don't have them in the inside. And I think I made mine a little too small, or it just doesn't fit completely there. But that's what it looks like with the inserts. I don't know yet if I'm gonna keep them in there or not. But yeah, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know down below if you like the boxes. I am obsessed. And I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye, guys.